How to install Edits and Instagram app. If you want to use the Edits application and wondering on how to download it on your mobile phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your app store, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the search button at the bottom, right here. Then tap onto the search bar and type Edits and Instagram, just like this, and open it. Now tap onto Edits, just right here, select it. Now to install it, simply tap onto this cloud button right here. And if you are downloading it for the first time, you will see the Get button, just like this, and simply tap on it. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see it has been downloaded. Now tap on to open the application. You can also find the app on your home screen, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can install the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.